unemployment problem. Asha School Happy Valley Shillong, a premier special school for taking care of the needs of differently able children, celebrated its Silver Jubilee today. The school started in 1998 and has been a pioneer in providing personalized and nurturing education to students with diverse learning needs. The school is being administered under the aegis of Headquarters 101 area by 58 Gorkha Training Center, Shillong. Dr. Mrs. Nivedita Malik, Zonal President, AWWA 101 area, graced the program as the chief guest. In her address, Malik complimented the school management committee for having provided the children with the best of facilities and making the school one of the best managed special schools in the region. The anti-narcotic